The price of Stellar Lumens XLM is projected to be between 0.441357 and 0.833674 by the year 2030. Experts in the market say that by 2025, XLM could reach 0.343277. In 2023, the price of stellar lights on the market is likely to be 0.078463. Exceptional Lumens XLM display. The XLM symbol shows that Stellar Lumens is an alternative cryptocurrency. After the 2017 cryptocurrency hype bubble, altcoins gained a lot of attention. Stellar Lumens is one of the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. However, because XLM hasn't done well in the past few years because of the bad crypto market, it has fallen out of the top 10. Recently, Stellar Lumens has been doing well, which has attracted investors. The goal of this movie is to give a professional and critical analysis as well as cost estimates. By the end, you'll know more about how high Stellar Lumens might rise and whether or not it's a good idea to bet on it. What does Stellar Light XLM mean? The Stellar Foundation is a non-profit group that works to get the Stellar Lumens payment organization made and used. Mt. Gox and the cryptocurrency movement were started by Jed McCaleb. In 2014, he started the company. On the venture, he worked closely with Patrick Collinson, who was the head of Stripe. Collinson and Stripe put up more than $3 million in seed money on the Stellar website. Since then, a few other friends have helped the Stellar organization. Stellar is currently a creative way to pay for things across borders, a way for people without bank accounts to go to a store with a lot of money, and a way to move for ridiculously low prices. Lumens XLM are the local source of digital money that drives the Stellar blockchain network, no matter what the Stellar establishment does. Stellar is totally decentralized, and most people say that the blockchain organization that runs Stellar is much faster and cheaper than others. As long as everything else stays the same, Stellar Lumens are neither taken nor given out. When the Stellar organization went live, 100 billion XLM coins were sent out. At first, it was planned to add 1% to the stock of Stellar every year. But the local community decided to get rid of this inflationary cycle. As a result, the stockpile of Stellar Lumens was cut in half, leaving only 50 billion XLM tokens for use, of which 20 billion bought were sold and used on the open market and the other 30 billion bought were kept in reserve. Stellar Lumens is currently the 27th most valuable digital currency, with a market value of 2,680,000,000,024,822 USD. Using the above diagram, which shows the general strength record, RSI, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal, and moving normal intermingling uniqueness, we can figure out if we are having a bullish or negative year. On our website, market information and other information are updated in real time, which lets us make dynamic cost estimates based on how the market is doing right now. Stellar Lumens XLM value prediction for 2023. Stellar Lumens are one of the most interesting digital currencies that will rise this year. XLM. The price for XLM in 2023 is expected to go up a lot in the last part of the year, maybe hitting 0.147117 like other cryptographic forms of money. The rise will be slow, but there are no big drops expected, with an average of 0.137310. The cost is high, but it will be possible to get soon if coordinated efforts and growth go as planned. In 2024, the base value of XLM is projected to be 0.117694. Stellar Light XLM value expectation. Stellar Lumens XLM price prediction has a lot of room to grow. Since many new partnerships and drives are expected to be announced soon, we think that the price of XLM will soon go above 0.245196. Still, before making any bullish predictions, we should wait to see if the XLM's general strength list gets out of the oversold zone. XLM will trade at a base exchange cost of 0.196157 and an average exchange cost of 0.215772, depending on how volatile the market is. Estimate of how much Stellar Light's XLM will be worth if the pattern of going up and down stays the same until 2025, it could hit 0.343274. If the market goes down, XLM may do better, but the goal may not be reached. In 2025, the average price of XLM is predicted to be 0.313850 and the lowest price to be 0.294235. Stellar Light's XLM Value Forecast 2026. If Stellar Lumens does a good job of keeping cryptocurrency fans happy, the price of XLM coins might stay the same for the next 5 years. If our predictions come true, XLM will be green in 2026. In 2026, the XLM is expected to reach a higher point than it ever has before. In 2026, the value of the virtual currency will be 0.441352 with a starting price of 0.392313 and an average price of 0.411929. The value that is expected from Stellar Light XLM. We think that the XLM price will reach a normal value level of 0.510007 by 2027, with a base price of 0.490391 expected before the end of the year. This is based on a wide range of gouging and expert research. Also, the highest number XLM can have is 0.539431. How much Stellar Lumens XLM will be worth in 2028? Since more groups are likely to be formed by 2028, we think that a bullish trend will continue and bring the average price to about 0.608085. If XLM breaks through the safe mark in 2028, the price could go as high as 0.637509. If you don't get the required amount of XLM by 2028, the Stellar Lumens XLM number could be as low as 0.588470 lumens. 2029. While XLM tries to make it easier for groups to work together, the bullish trend from last year is likely to continue. Because of this, the base exchange cost has been set at 0.686548, and the annual cost is expected to be close to 0.735587. Stellar Light XLM Value Forecast for 2030, 2029, and 2030. Stellar Lights will finally do better than their previous half values and set new records for how much they cost. The price could start at 0.784626 and go all the way up to 0.784626.